Now I want to show how you can include NewBuilder into an actual web page. The first thing we're going to have to do though is set up an access level, and part of that access level is actually having a home page which we just created there. I'll rename these. This will be called Viewers Home Page. View Home. But we needed to do that first of all so that we could actually select that in the first access level that we want to set up. We're going to set one form that we've created earlier so we can access it by that access level. Alright, so now we're going to put a user in and save that. And we find our way back to this form that we've created. We don't want a field there, we actually want an iframe. So we'll just change the type of object it is, change its coordinates and its sizes, and pick the form that we want to look at, and so it's going to be an iframe. Alright, so we refresh that and there we have a list of quotes inside an iframe sitting on the home page of any user that has an access level of view. I'll just tidy this up a little bit. You can see we're going to make it a bit shorter, and we'll tell it to only have 10 rows, show 10 rows at a time. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so what we do now is log in as our new user called V, the password of V, and you can see that there we have a copy of NewBuilder and it goes straight to their home page. But what if we don't want it to look like it's NewBuilder? What if we could get rid of the top part? Well, if we put a bit of JavaScript in here, we can. Now, first of all, when the developer gets in here, he doesn't want those headers to disappear. So we'll actually make them only disappear if the access level code equals V. Alright, so now we should be able to log back in as V and V, and there we go. We've got an object sitting up in the top left hand corner. It could be mashed into any web page.